Dixon Tech was another stock that was in the news, has been in the news for quite a while. Or last week we saw that Dixon Tech is perhaps going to set up a phone manufacturing unit near Delhi, and for this it will invest about 400 crores or so. Now this was last week's news. As a result of that, the stock was up about 10% or so in the last 5 days, and it has been performing quite well on the daily as well as the weekly charts. But now today there was news that Xiaomi, both Dixon Tech and Xiaomi has entered into a manufacturing agreement where it will produce smartphones for Xiaomi in its manufacturing facility in Noida. And the stock has not seen much reaction. Perhaps we are seeing the rally that is kind of fizzling out. It was down about 0.2% or so. So Kush, how is the stock looking? Has the rally fizzled out? Is there some buying opportunities? At what level would you be comfortable entering the stock?
Is right?
Dixon Technologies.
Yes. Dixon Tech.
Well, yeah. See, it's actually a stupendous move if you see after the after all kind of negative news that we had seen for the last, I think, about 8-12 months in the stock. But the recovery also has been equally phenomenal, and now the stock is approaching its all-time high levels of about 6,000. I know it's a little way away, but if we look at the whole scheme of things, given that the stock has rebounded from 2,600 odd levels, this recovery is quite phenomenal. So if someone's got a positional view on this one, I'm not too worried about this stock going down, because it's made a firm base. Even the rise, even though it has been quite sharp, it's been with a set of pauses and set of accumulations and the fair share of dips. So I think from a positional perspective, I won't rule out a move to 6,000, the lifetime high for this stock. If a fresh entry someone's looking for, then I think 4,800 is it's a neat stop loss that one can have. But given the overall momentum that we are seeing, and the first the stemming of the negative news and now the flow of positive news on the stock, should perhaps just push it a little higher from here. So overall setup to me now actually starts looking positive.